Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to create our first prediction. So what are we trying to predict here is if that particular patient is going to be a no-show or is he going to be at his appointment. So if you go over here, if you go over to data export, we have this is the query here, limit 200. Now over here you can see we have a field called no show, right? When a particular patient is called no show, so we have two values. No show equals to no, that means that particular patient made to his appointment, and no show of yes means that patient did not make to his appointment. Okay, no show of no means that particular patient came to the appointment, and no show of yes means a particular patient did not make to his appointment. So the first thing is we will go over to the quick find and we'll say Einstein prediction, and under Einstein platform you see Einstein prediction builder. Click on that, and here you see a button to create new prediction. You might not have any predictions right now, but don't worry, we will click on this new prediction button here. And most important thing is you can create up to 10 predictions, but you can only enable one prediction. So if you go back here, you can see here you can enable one prediction, but you can have total of 10 predictions created. One of one. If let's say you have enabled a prediction and now you want to enable another prediction, you cannot do that. Only way you can do it by disabling the previous predictions. Okay, so now we will click on new prediction here. And what is the prediction name? So we are trying to see no show probability. Means what is the probability of the no show, and calculate no show probability. And what type of prediction do you want to build? It's a yes no. Yes no is if you want to see is the opportunity likely to close, that comes under yes no. And if you want to see how much is the opportunity worth, if you have to see numeric values, then this is the second type. So we are building a yes no prediction. Hit the save and next here. And then what is the object? So the object that we are choosing is medical appointment. This is the object on which we want to predict, right? So we'll select this object here and then select save and next. Now, which medical appointment records should Einstein consider? So we have lot of Einstein records. So if I go over here and let me go to select ID, and how many Einstein records we have total? Let's say we have total of about 2008 records are there. Now for some of these records the no show is equals to yes, and for some of these records no show is equals to no, but for some of them we don't know the value of no show, and that is what we want to predict. So here if I go to the no show, and we will leave the where no show is equals to null. How many records are there? We have total of about 10 records where no show value is not there. These are upcoming appointments, and we want to predict if that patient is will be coming to the appointment or not. So now we will go back to the prediction builder. Which medical appointment records should Einstein consider? So we want Einstein to consider everything because we already have a very limited data set of 2000 records approximately. We don't want to filter these records again. So we want to consider all medical appointments. Now if you want to have AI based on a segment of medical records, then you can define your conditions using this one, but we are going to choose all the records here. Click next, and then which records are example of a yes outcome? So when do you call a no show of yes? That means if a probability of yes, so no show equals to yes, that means that person is a no show. No show equals to no means person came to the appointment. So which records are example of a yes outcome? We will say if the no show equals what value? A value of yes. That is the yes outcome, right? No show is equals to yes means that person did not come to the appointment. So that's what is the yes outcome. Which records are example of a no outcome? When the no show equals to no. Okay, when the no-show equals to no, that is a no outcome. When the no-show equals to yes, that is a yes outcome. Very simple. And then we do save and next. Which medical appointment fields are likely to influence your prediction outcome? Now we have total of about 16 fields are there. Now do you want your AI model to look at all these fields? Does all these fields play an important role, or you can pick and choose your fields also? Let's say I don't want all the fields to be there. I'm going to choose age, and let's say we want to choose based on the gender plays an important role, let's say, and then what is the patient ID? Means if that patient came back for his previous appointment, he is more likely to come to his next appointments also. If that patient hasn't come to the previous appointment, then its probability of showing up to this appointment is going to be less. Okay, then what is the schedule day, then what neighborhood he lives in, and then appointment day. That is all we are going to select here, and then do save and next. So I'm not choosing all the fields to be used. I'm only saying based on these fields play an important factors. Which records do you want Einstein to provide the prediction for? So what I'm going to do here is predict all the records that are not example records. Now what are example records? Example records are either the value of no show equals to yes, those are example records, and the other set of example records are no show equals to no. So 2008 minus 10, all are these are the example records, right? And 10 records are the ones for which we want to predict. So predict all records that are not example records. So you have total of 10 records here, and for these 10 records, Einstein Prediction Builder is going to predict the probability of no show. And then we will say next here. Name the score field. Now what happens is, once this Einstein Prediction Builder runs, it is going to create a field here, and that is the field which will tell you the probability score. Okay, and we will call it as no show probability field. Okay, probability, and this is the field that will automatically get created. Save and next here. No show probability is the field that will automatically get created once you have enabled your prediction. Now review and build. So we have almost done here. A new field will be when your prediction is ready. Scorecard summarizes your prediction quality and top predictors, and score field will answers your prediction question on every record that you define in the records to predict section. So what happens is a new field will be created, and the name of the field is no show probability, and this field will have the value once you have enabled this prediction. So the first thing is we need to build. It is going to take about 24 to I think it's up to 24 hours, I believe. It will take 1 day to build this prediction, and once you have built it, you have to enable the prediction. Okay, and once you have enabled the prediction, then you are going to see this field value populated on this no show probability, and that probability, if the value is going to be between 0 and 100, and that will tell you what is the probability of the no show. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, so you can see name and type no show probability, what it is of the type yes no, object is medical appointment. What are the example records? Include medical appointment records that are meet all conditions. No show equals yes is a yes example records, and no show equals to no is no example records. So we have two types of example records, where the no show value is equals to yes and where the no show value is equals to no, and we have total of about 1998 records are the example records. Now included fields, so we only are including 6 of the 16 fields because these are the ones that play an important factor in calculating the probability score. Now which records? There are total of 10 records that we have to predict the probability on, and which is the field? No show probability is your field. Okay, now we will go ahead and build it. It will take about half an hour to 24 hours. So you have to wait 24 hours, then your prediction is going to be ready. But that is halfway done. Once the prediction is built, Once the prediction is built, you have to enable your prediction. Once these 24 hours are passed, what's going to happen is on this particular field, you are going to see a field called no-show probability score. Okay, this is the field that is going to be available on this medical appointment. Okay, this one, the one that you see here, is from the previous I did it, so don't worry, but a new field would be called as no-show probability will be created. From the previous tutorial, if you see here, this was another one. Just to give you an example, this field will have a value here, and you can see here it has a value 8988. That means the probability, and your probability score might be slightly different from mine, so don't worry about it. That tells me the score of no-show probability is more. That means the patient will be a no-show. Okay, 89 means he has more chances of a no-show, so that means he is not going to be making to his appointment. So a new field will get created after tomorrow, and once that field gets created, you have to enable your prediction. And the way to enable your prediction is just clicking on the enable button. And once you have enabled it, once you have enabled the prediction, then what's going to happen is then the value of again 24 hours will be needed. Again, you have to wait for a day, and then finally you are going to see this probability score being populated. This is a different field for a different prediction. Okay, in your case, the name of the field would be no-show probability. That is the name of the field, which will get created by tomorrow automatically with the help of Einstein Prediction Builder. But the value on this field will be populated once you enable the prediction. Tomorrow you have to enable the prediction, and once you enable it, you have to wait another 24 hours. And once you have enabled it within 24 hours, the values on this score field will be populated, and based on this you can say either yes or no. If it is more towards 100, that means the likelihood of happening is more. If it is between the value of 1 and 50, that means it's less chances of a no-show. So this is our first prediction that we have created. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.